Peering through a hopeful lens of the future of community colleges, a comparative analysis of the 21st Century Commission report, Reclaiming the American Dream, Community Colleges, and the Nation's Future, with concepts from the 1947 Truman Commission report and the 1988 Building Communities, A Vision for a New Century report, presented by Pamela R. Brown, doctoral student at Morgan State University, submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirements for course EDHE 600, The American Community College, with Dr. Leah Hollis as the instructor. Community colleges have been an American educational gem for a very long period of time. The institutions were created to foster opportunity for higher education and prepare a highly skilled workforce that would be globally competitive. President Harry S. Truman recognized the importance and the value of community colleges. Henceforth, President Truman appointed a commission of experts to design a plan to expand the function of community colleges. The Truman Commission report was a vision that identified education as a way of providing equal conditions for all persons. However, the report was created after World War II, when racial tension in the United States was tumultuous. In this process, there was a call for colleges and universities to, one, improve equality of opportunity, and second, expansion of higher education in America. Building upon the work of the Truman Commission, approximately 41 years later in 1988, the American Association of Community Colleges produced the report, Building Communities, A Vision for a New Century. The following recommendations were made to improve community colleges. 1, that there must be a clear definition of the mission of the community college. 2nd, that community colleges must serve a diverse group of students, and that the roles of instructional faculty must be highlighted. 3rd, that the community college must set curriculum goals. 4th, quality instruction, collaborative learning, rewards for teaching excellence, and there must be an improvement in technology, and evaluations were to be considered. 5th, to consider non-instructional ways to build communities through orientation programs and support services. And last, to strengthen the connections with public schools, four-year colleges, and to review leadership criteria for community college leaders. The 21st Century Commission on the Future of Colleges produced a report, Reclaiming the American Dream, Community Colleges, and the Nation's Future. In addition, an implementation guide was created, Empowering Community Colleges to Build the Nation's Future. The Commission was charged with creating an innovative plan for community colleges, yet maintain the fundamentals of equal access, affordability, and workforce opportunity as cited by previous commissions. Based upon forward thinking and the need for institutional transformation, the 21st Century Commission suggested the following action accompanied by 7 recommendations. First, redesign students' educational experience. Second, reinvent institutional roles. And third, reset the system. The 7 recommendations presented by the 21st Century Commission are: 1. Increase completion rates by 50% by year 2020. Recommendation number 2, to dramatically improve college readiness. Recommendation number 3, close the American skills gap. Recommendation number 4, refocus the community college mission and redefine institutional roles. Recommendation number 5, invest in collaborative support structures. Recommendation number 6, target public and private investments strategically. And recommendation number 7, implement policies and practices that promote both rigor and accountability. The 2014 Implementation Guide is a document that moves ideas to action and is a concrete action plan to put things in motion. The Commission recognizes transformation must occur in community colleges supported by collaborative efforts. The 21st Century Commission identified 4 strategies to move their recommendations from ideas to implementation. The first strategy: clear, coherent academic career pathways. The second strategy: stackable credentials based on clearly defined competencies. The third strategy: alignment of learning across education sectors within community colleges and with labor market demands. And the fourth strategy: there must be transparency and accountability. In closing, the work outlined in Higher Education Commission reports seems to be very complex but achievable. In the midst of change, advancement, and innovation, a common thread exists: equity, democracy, and affordability remain as constant factors to reclaim the American dream, the dream that boasts education is the equalizer to afford opportunity to all people. Thank you.